Hi guys, I'm gonna share with you the new Mesmerized Brows, which now has a new formula and available in 4 shades, starting with caramel, mocha, hazel and also coffee. Caramel, which is a neutral blonde, mocha is a neutral ash brown, hazel, which is a neutral warm brown, and coffee, which is a dark warm brown. It features a precise triangular tip with a spoolie brush on the other side. And the Mesmerized Brows have also a brow pencil refills. Here I have hazel, a neutral warm brown which has a very cool color that gives your brows looking all natural. One thing I like about this product is that it glides easily and it doesn't feel too dry or creamy. This spoolie has a very soft bristle and it doesn't feel sharp on your skin. Next color I have is coffee, which is a dark warm brown, and it suits for those who always go for bold looks or have thick brows. You can layer the products without feeling too heavy on your skin.
Okay, so basically the brows, the product blends easily and it goes well into your eyebrow, so you can just go a little bit darker or you can go a little bit lighter. And also I really love the spoolie because it makes my eyebrows super polished. Like it doesn't look like harsh, so it looks like well blended, and I really like it. I really like the spoolie very much, and it's not as harsh as some spoolies tend to be, but I really love the effect it gave me for my brows. And this is actually in the shade coffee, which is a darker shade, and I love it.
Okay, next we have the Mochi Sponges, which is perfect for those who wanted to achieve a very flawless makeup look. The Mochi microfiber sponges gives the effect of a full coverage makeup look with a very light application on the skin. Microfiber helps to apply any makeup without absorbing too much of product and gives a very effortless blending. If you use my promo code, which is still Azures, you will get a discount of 10% off. You can also use my promo code to get yourself a Wonderstruck lip cream as well. So don't forget to use the Azures, and I'll see you guys next time.